Creating a watermark with the INSHOT Pro version is so super easy. Open the app, upload a picture. I had created a design in INSHOT, saved it as a photo. So now you're going to click on Picture in Picture, find your design, upload it. You are going to click Cutout. And most of the time, Cutout cuts out the whole image, but if it doesn't, click on the AI, it will refine it, and now you have a PNG, and you can just resize it, place it wherever you want. And I did create my design in black and one in white, depending on the picture. So let's watch that again. Picture in Picture, upload your picture, click Cut Out. I clicked AI, there was a little bit of white space around it. And move it around your picture where you want it to be. You can also change the opacity. You want to make it more transparent? You can do that in the app as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and good luck creating your watermarks. You should always watermark your images. And here is what it looks like.